Hi, to record screen of your Xiaomi 13, just swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center and find the screen recorder feature. Before we tap it to enable, we can just hold the icon to change its settings. First thing we can change is resolution. Here we got 3 options, but I recommend you choose this first one, which is 2400 by 1080 resolution. Now let's move on to video quality, and here we got this huge range of options. So the video quality of 100 Mbps is too much. It is better to choose 32 or maximum 50 and it will be just fine, trust me. The video will be clear and the memory will not be jammed. And also choose a frame rate. If you are recording gameplay, choose here 60 frames per second. Here's this option, and if it's just some tutorials, 30 FPS will be more than enough. And if you are recording a game, for example, start recording with the game running to avoid black bars on the sides of the video. And here I also recommend you to enable this show touch gestures if you are making a tutorial, and show button taps and lock screen to end. And now to start recording, we will need to swipe down, tap this video icon, and here we'll find this floating button which we can drag anywhere across the screen. To start recording, just tap this red one and now it's started, and here we can check the time. To stop it, we would need to select this button, tap on the square, and now it is saved. And also we can remove this floating button by tapping this cross. And now it is saved to our gallery, so let's check it. I'm gonna go in the gallery and we can find it either in this today photos or we can go in albums, select screenshots and screen recordings, switch to the screen recordings, and here it is. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.